We are here in TESDA, guys.
Climping. Where's the climping?
This
Master
is the-
of all the...
Over there.
This is the assessment. The motor control connection. How are you, guys?
I'm fine also.
I'm fine, thank you.
Just do your best, to do your work good
Yes.
and excellent.
Give your best always.
Yes,
If you cannot see the boss, you see the boss.
yes.
In the office.
And the face is always
Ayun na.
smiling.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay?
Don't worry.
Don't worry about the day.
Oh, no good. Why the nut is falling down?
Because this... Ay,
If you are in the ship, maybe you will die. You got kagat-kagat by the bating. Yung mga ipopost mo sa ano para makita na talagang
Yeah, discard again.
3 minutes pa mo sa akin tol. Ha. Para lagay ko sa video ko to. Yan guys, yung ating mga electrician ngayong araw na to. So ginagawa nila yung connection ng ating induction motor via the 380 volts. Yan, parang assessment to guys. So konting palakpak naman dyan sa ating mga viewers dyan para lalong ganahan tong ating mga Terminator of the day. What is your name?
My name is Ronald Dela. I live in Matayan, Subic, Sabal, Philippines, Region 3.
Coming.
Sir!